Okay, now I was over there minding my own business, and I wasn't calling nobody. But I had to get this Watergate starting. Lady Troublemaker, uptown Chicago, with the Watergate rolling, y'all. Hey, Stumpjumper. I got you on my Watergate, but I didn't get you real clear. Come on back, Stumpjumper, Lady Troublemaker, uptown Chicago with the Watergate rolling. I'm standing by. 166, you made my Watergate too, but Stumpjumper in there, all up in there. But 166, good morning to you, Lady Troublemaker, uptown Chicago with the Watergate rolling. I'm standing by. Hey, 166, I got you loud and clear that time. But somebody asked me could I say something, and I could not get his 28. Come on back and tell Lady Troublemaker who you are so I can write your name down on the Lady Troublemaker Watergate edition. I'm reading the mail.
Lady Troublemaker, Lady Troublemaker. We got the old Stumpjumper. That's the best. You're loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Hey, Stumpjumper, you did make my Watergate there. I heard somebody else out there. So come on back so I can write your name down. Lady Troublemaker, uptown Chicago is reading on the mail.
Okay, Lady Troublemaker,
Hey, 721, you did make Lady Troublemaker Watergate. You trying to get number 8 in there, and I'm putting you on my Watergate, Mr. 721. Lady Troublemaker, uptown Chicago, got the Watergate rolling. Somebody gotta get Stumpjumper out of there. Somebody gotta get Stumpjumper out of there. I'm gonna have to name this Watergate the Stumpjumper talk show. Lady Troublemaker in Chicago. Say 721, you're in my Watergate. Come on. Stumpjumper got them all towed down. Oh, what y'all gonna do with Stumpjumper? Lady Troublemaker in Chicago is reading on the mail.
Lady Troublemaker, you still blowing smoke. On the beach, don't stay. I can put your eye out there. No lady, break your windows down here on the south end of the beach. 325, it's only one runner on the end of the beach. We need it.
What you call at the end of the beach? Lady Troublemaker want to put you on my Watergate. Lady Troublemaker, Watergate rolling around Chicago.
All them basics coming out from Chicago. Oh, Stumpjumper.
This channel's a mess. I'm going down to another channel. Lady Troublemaker, Uptown Chicago. Watergate going to channel 11. I'm gone. I want to keep this Lady Troublemaker Watergate up. I want to see who I can put on my Watergate. Lady Troublemaker, Uptown Chicago with the Watergate roller is standing by.
You want me to write that down? Hello, Lady Troublemaker.
Who is that waving at me? Is that pea shooter waving at me? Come on back and talk to Lady Troublemaker. I'm standing by. I'm on back, pea shooter. You sound real good. Welcome to the weekend, pea shooter. Lady Troublemaker, Uptown Chicago. I got the gate rolling. I'm standing by. Sounding good too, pea shooter. Hey, pea shooter, you keep on doing what you're doing, and we're gonna keep on doing what we're doing. Pea shooter, Lady Troublemaker, Watergate round Chicago is getting on down. Hey, pea shooter, I hope you enjoyed that gate I had of you the other day. Hey, pea shooter, I hope you enjoyed that Watergate I had of you the other day. But today you doing your Mac Nasty. Pea shooter, Lady Troublemaker in Chicago is reading on the mail. Hey, John Shaft, it ain't Lady Shortstack, but it is Lady Troublemaker. I don't know if Lady Shortstack out there, but they call me Lady Troublemaker. Oh, John Shaft, you just made my Watergate. John Shaft, Lady Troublemaker in Chicago, is reading on the mail.
Troublemaker, we ain't got so many female CDs out here, so I got a little confused on that count. Lady Troublemaker, we ain't got too many lady CDs out here on the planet anymore like we used to have back in the day, so I got a little confused on this count right there. Hey, the top of that, I don't know if it's Lady Troublemaker. We got it out there. Lady Troublemaker, John Shaft, Brooklyn, New York, I'm trying to get on your Watergate.
Oh, you on my Watergate. You on this Watergate, this worldwide Watergate. It's called the Lady Troublemaker Watergate Edition on YouTube and Facebook. And Mr. John Shaft, you're doing your Mac Nasty, throwing down. Lady Troublemaker on the Watergate is standing by.
Yeah.
Boy, you sound good too around New York. Oh, you sound good, like you sound like you right here in my house there. Put on your lady John sound. Welcome to the weekend and enjoy your holiday coming up, you and your family. Lady Troublemaker, uptown Chicago with the Watergate rolling is standing by. There go my number one man. There go my movie star, Mr. Red Rooster. Good morning to you, Red Rooster. Yo, Troublemaker, uptown Chicago is right back, Baker. So Red Rooster, you all up in here. So you gonna be on there again today. Red Rooster, you keep doing what you're doing and I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Mr. Red Rooster, welcome to the weekend. Yo, Troublemaker in Chicago is reading on the mail. Said Roger, Red Rooster. Hey, Red Rooster, on the 4th of July now, I want you to keep that big radio up because I'm going to do a whole lot of recording on the 4th of July. Keep up the good work, Red Rooster. Lady Troublemaker reporting from Chicago is getting on down. Said Roger Rooster. Okay, Rooster, I'm gonna stand by and I'm gonna see who else wanna get on this worldwide Watergate. Y'all can pick this Watergate up at the Lady Troublemaker Watergate edition, and believe me, it is worldwide. It's in Germany, it's in London, it's in the UK, it's all over the world. Lady Troublemaker Watergate edition is reading the mail. Said Roger, Red Rooster. You do likewise, Red Rooster. Lady Troublemaker, standing by. Come on, Woodchuck. Hey, Woodchuck, you just made my Watergate Woodchuck. Lady Troublemaker is right back to you, Baker. Hey, Woodchuck, you sounded real good too, and you gonna hear it when you key it up and you go on the YouTube at the Lady Watergate edition. And remember, you heard it right here. You sounded real good, Woodchuck. Lady Troublemaker say welcome to the weekend and happy 4th of July coming up. Woodchuck, you doing your thing. Lady Troublemaker back quiet and on the side. Roger Woodchuck, but you gotta watch out for that Red Rooster. He got a mighty maul thrown down. Lady Troublemaker reporting from Chicago. I'm standing by and reading his mail. Well, it looks like conditions changing in there. It look like conditions changing. When my Watergate get quiet like that, I gotta end it. But right now, I'm gonna hang in there just a little more longer and see can I get some more people on my Watergate, Lady Troublemaker, back quiet and on the side with this worldwide Watergate. And I'm reading the mail. I can't wait on the Red Rooster. Somebody in there calling me. But when you throw it down like that, you got sole control of my Watergate. Red Rooster, Lady Troublemaker, tell it like it is. Hey, Red Rooster, you gonna hear it. You gonna hear who was trying you there, and you deal with it that way, and you got proof, cause the Watergate don't lie. Yeah, Roger. Well, that East Coast smoking. That East Coast is smoking around Chicago. Lady Troublemaker, uptown Chicago with the Watergate rolling. I'm reading the mail. I heard you called me, but Red Rooster will not let me hear your CB handle there. But come on back one more time and I'll see can I put your name on the Lady Troublemaker Watergate. I'm reading the mail. Now that was a train wreck. Red Rooster stood by, but that was a train wreck. Somebody got to clean up my Watergate here. Come on back. I'm standing by. Y'all want to talk on Lady Troublemaker Watergate, y'all got to do something with Red Rooster because he got a mighty mall thrown down. Lady Troublemaker uptown Chicago still reading on the mail. Roger, Rooster. Alright, I'm gonna end this Watergate because I got what I need. I gotta get out of here. And we thank you, Red Rooster, for your talk show. Lady Troublemaker Uptown Chicago say, have a good day. We're going to end this. Hello, everybody. Hey, cousin. Hey, Lady Triple One on here. Hi, Kimberly. Bye, Rooster. Bye, Rooster. You got an audience on my live view there. We'll put it on you later, Red Rooster. Lady Troublemaker Uptown Chicago signing off. Alright, hello everybody. I'm going to end this gate and come back later. I got to go to the doctor's office, so I wanted to get some more people on there. But Red Rooster, we took the show for 3 days in a row. Y'all enjoy y'all day, and welcome to the weekend. And if we don't talk to you, Kim, I hope I see you.
Hey, Capital One, he gave me a 2,000 to kick off.